Hey everyone, welcome to Agentic Force. Do you want to learn Salesforce but don't know where to start? Good news. You can create your own free Salesforce account just for learning and practice. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do it. So let's begin. So before we start, let me explain what this account is. Salesforce gives you a free account called Developer Org. It's your own private space where you can explore Salesforce, practice building things, and learn. And also, you can create apps, test new Salesforce features, write code, and much more. And don't worry, you won't break anything. It's just for you and free of cost. So let's create your developer org. Just follow these simple steps. Open your browser and go to this website developer.salesforce.com. Here you can see Get Developer Edition. Just right click on this and open new in the new tab. So if you see this page, you will find here a free Salesforce platform environment with Agentforce and datacloud. So these are the new Salesforce features. So you need to enter fill this all the fields which are required here. So let me fill in this for me. Agentic Force. I'm sorry, I lost you in the between. So after filling up all the required fields and you click submit, you will get a message like it's almost there and check your email address. So if we go and check our email address, so we will be receiving one of the email from Salesforce support. So if you click here and reset your password, once you reset your password, wow, this is your org. So this is our free developer org. Just it looks like a free brand new Salesforce solution. So if you click here, this is an app launcher where you can find all the apps. If you can see sales and also service, these are all the Salesforce clouds. And also if you want to see here, this is opportunity object, lead object, task object, accounts, contacts, campaigns, and so on. And also at the right top, you can see here a gear icon. This gear icon, if you click on setup, it will it is a setup complete your org setup. You can find in whatever the settings if you want to do in your org, you can find from here. This is object manager where you can find all objects and its metadata here. Yeah, that's it. Here are helpful tips. Always try to log in at least once in 45 days, or else your account will get deactivated. And also, if you want to log in the next time in this free developer org, you need to visit this website, login.salesforce.com, and need to enter your username and password which you have recently resetted. The username you already will get in your email. Here it is highlighted. This is your username and recently password and login here. And also remember, this account is 100% free and available forever as long as you keep using it. So I believe this video helps you and you have created your own Salesforce developer org where you can explore Salesforce and build simple automations and become confident with Salesforce. If you like this video, please do subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks.